right, and over here I have elephant garlic. I have one that didn't do real well. Something tried to dig it up. It still might make, but most everything is super healthy right now. We've got tomatoes, lettuce, peppers, some potatoes, and here I have cucumbers. I'll actually have some strings coming up that they can run on. This will be another round of tomatoes here. Let's see, yesterday I buried 150 feet of cable here. Actually, it was 10-2 with ground. Goes all the way out to my shop, that first building. We also put in a GFCI outlet here, and power runs underground over to the chickens. And let's walk around the corner. This is our half-acre field that's going to be planted with a actually Four Sisters method. Will include a pollinator, but we're going to have corn, beans, squash, gourds, and melon. We'll substitute those in for squash, gourds, and melons. We'll also probably put in some pumpkins as well, but that is a full half-acre. And all around I've got walnut trees here. They're starting to get some leaves on them. Got them all around the edge of the woods here, big walnut trees. Not that I'm into walnuts, but I am into walnut wood. Got a couple of plum trees here that I trimmed way back because they were very unhealthy. And here's the other plum tree. We got blueberry bush. Actually, there's two blueberry bushes here. Johnny gave me that one. It already has berries on it, my sister Johnny. And here we have red, yellow, and white onions doing really well. Some potatoes somehow or another got mixed in with those. We'll get rid of those soon. We have cilantro doing really good there. All of this is from seed. Parsley is coming up. There's some little bitty basil in addition. Now I dropped this basil in. It was a plant, but this is basil from seed in two places. This is sage that my sister gave me, and it was a plant. This is oregano, and it was planted from seed, and it has just done unbelievable. Got a couple little tricks I did with the seeds with the freezer and then some water that seems to help germination. Here, this is rosemary that again was started from seed. I started this way back inside with a light, and it is just really doing good. That's the package there, Fairy Morse USDA organic rosemary. Got some more trying to come up in different places, and this looks like thyme is coming up here from seed. The only thing that really did not come up was my peppermint, and it was planted right here. We'll just leave it vacant just in case, but that did not come up. That's about it. This is a sugar maple tree that turns the most beautiful colors. It turned orange and yellow and just absolutely stunning colors last fall. This bench I made out of a white oak log, actually milled with a chainsaw and made that, and it's just a place to sit. Looks like squirrel's been using it out here for walnuts. We'll wipe those off, Mr. Squirrel. Clean up your own mess next time. That's about it. Hope everyone has a great day. Remember to like and subscribe.